is for danger. Sneeze on Tuesday, kiss a stranger. Sneeze on Wednesday, receive a letter. Sneeze on Thursday, something better. Sneeze on Friday, expect sorrow. Sneeze on Saturday, joy tomorrow. There was a man and he had naught, and robbers came to rob him. He crept up to the chimney top and then they thought they had him. But he got down onto t'other side and then they could not find her. He ran 14 miles in 15 days and never looked behind him.
Monday sneeze means danger!
Danger today, be careful!
Whoa, who are you?
Choo! Bless ya! Bless ya. A letter? Good news coming! Something better ahead. Hi! I'm ready! Trouble coming! I'll help! Today brings joy. Let's go! Are you okay?
I lost everything.
Stop it! Run!
Run!
Stay quiet.
Okay. He's inside!
They're wrong.
He's on the chimney! This way!
Wow! Keep going!
Thank you! You saved me.
Friends help friends.
Welcome!
He needs help!
You can work here. Thank you.
Ray for Finch, a job, a job! Choo! Happy Bang Bang Day!
Oops!
Again, I was stopping the venue, but sing happy. Splish, splash, coins go clink. Now they're covered in a muddy stink.
Music! Dance time, heads out of luck! Celebrate, dance and sing!
I'm home.
Yes! You changed destiny. What? Sneeze on Monday. Each day a sneeze brings magic and fun. Sparkles fun. Our day has begun.
You saved my life.
You're my friend. Call me with a sneeze.
What a beautiful day!
Isn't it so true? Tiny one.
Everyone has a story.